Let's start the formation of soil. The type of soil found in the region depend upon a variety of factors. Following are the main factors that affect the formation of soil. First of all, the parent rock. Second, the topography. Third, the climate. Fourth, vegetation cover. And fifth is time. Let's discuss the first factor which affect the formation of soil. First of all, what do you mean by parent rock? Parent rocks means the rocks through which soil is formed, or we can say that the original rocks from which soil formed by the process of weathering, known as parent rocks. What do you mean by weathering? You have already read in class 7. This word is not new for you. But let's discuss in very short. Weathering is a static process. It occurs in a place where rocks break down due to wind, water or other natural processes. In weathering, rocks break into small particles called sediments. You can see in the picture the different agents of nature such as temperature, rainfall, or we can say that air also affect the work on the rocks, and continuous work on these factors, this broken the rocks, this broken the rocks in small particles, and rocks, these fragmented rock particles are known as sediments. Why weathering is known as a static process? Because the broken particles of or fragmented rock particles lay down in the same place. There is no motion in the weathering. That's why weathering is known as a static process. When agents of denudation or agents of nature such as wind, air, or water, glaciers, these all are move away or wash away these fragmented rocks in one place to another place, then this this process is known as erosion, and erosion is a dynamic process because erosion has movement. They move to these small particles one place to another place. So come to the point, parents rocks are the rocks which original rocks from which soil formed by the process of weathering, and it that is determines the, or we can say that parents rock determine the color, texture, chemical properties, mineral content and permeability of the soil. For example, a newborn child adopt every or inherit every characteristic, each and every characteristics of their parents, just like a child. Soil also inherit their all characteristics from their parents rocks. For example, our Deccan trap, this, the black soil is found there, which is formed by the black lava rocks. So their color is black, and they also content, mineral content is inherit from their parents rocks. Next is topography. What do you mean by word topography or relief feature? Everything which we see on the land surface, every features such as mountain, plateaus, valleys, plains, field, lowland, everything which we seen on the uh, land surface, that is known as topography or relief features. How relief features affect the formation of soil? Let's discuss. Both the altitude and slope of a relief determine the soil formation in many ways, such as mountains, plains, plateaus affect the thickness of soil. Soil cover in mountain region on the steep slopes, the top layer of soil is shallow and thin. On the other hand, the gentle slope, the soil cover is thick and deep. Because soil is, because in steep slope, soil is easily wash out. You can see in the picture, easily wash out, whereas the gentle slope and lowland, in this soil is deposited by these agents of nature, wind, air, glaciers in the lowland area or gentle slopes. That's why the soil of steep slope is thin or infertile, and whereas the soil of gentle slope or lowland is thick and very fertile. Next is climate. The third is climate. Temperature and rainfall is the most significant climatic variables that affect the process of soil formation. Both the that affect the apart from these, the deep and decay and decomposed of the parent rocks. In the area of high rainfall and extreme temperature, rocks are easily weathered. For example, in Rajasthan, due to extreme difference in day and night temperature, rocks expand and contrast, which result in quick formation of the soil. In this region, the region which having high rainfall, soluble rocks material easily get dissolved and washed away by the running water. This affect the soil formation. You can see in the figure. In Rajasthan, the day temperature is more than 45 degrees Celsius, wherein the night temperature is about 15 degrees Celsius. This contrast form the cracks in the rocks and agents of denudation. And can you say that what type of agents of denudation is work on this region? Air, water or glacier? Obviously, in desert area, wind is the most significant factors. So, wind eroded these rock particles and moved to another place. This result the quick formation of soil. Now, the fourth is vegetation. At the time, plant grow in a cracks existing rocks. You can see in the figure, plants grow in the cracks existing rock. With time, roots of these plants start penetrating in the cracks and make them wider. As a result, cracks distincted in the small pieces and help the soil formation. In another way, the decaying material of plants and animals provide humus to the soil, which increase the fertility of soil. The first, root penetrating into the rocks and make easier to fragmentation of rocks, whereas the second, the decaying materials of plants and animals enrich the soil to form humus. Next is time. Soil formation is not an immediate process, but it takes hundreds of years. Time gives maturity to the soil. For example, Nile Delta, the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta have many deep and fertile soil. So, I think you understand the concept formation of soil.